On the 19th of May 2023, I had the revelation from the Lord, a vision just about past 3 a.m. And it's pertaining to the building industry in the nation of Nigeria, which I also think it would affect other part of Africa. And this is what I saw. I saw three categories. And the first category was a trailer. And the trailer went to one of the pickup stations to load on some cement. And the cement that was loaded upon the trailer was rationed. When it got to a certain stage, they were told, stop. Then the trailer went. Then I saw another small lorry. The lorry came and they loaded the lorry as well. However, as they were about to add more cement, it was rationed. They were told, stop. Then after that went, I saw another car, now a car. And the vehicle came, and when the vehicle came, they put some cement in it as well. And they said, stop. And the person driving the car was very upset. He tried taking some more cement, and they tried holding him, and he spat away. And the revelation was very intense. Then all of a sudden, I got from the vision. And the Holy Spirit said, there's about to be a cement scarcity. Cement scarcity. I'm sharing this because it's very relevant if you're currently working on a project in Nigeria or other parts of Africa. And one of the main building material you need is cement. Obviously, if there's a rationing, that means there's a scarcity. And if there's a scarcity, the rules of supply and demand. If the supply is not enough and the demand is high, then the price would go high. So everyone connected with me, as I myself am working on a few projects in that, it's best now to buy some cement. Get your quantity surveyor or the engineer working with you and just check for the stages you're working on right now. How much cement would you require? And if you can now, if you have the money available, what you can buy it and keep it. Stop buying it bit by bit at the moment because there's a scarcity coming. And then the price will go up and it could cause delays to your project. So this word is for people connected currently working in a building trade or doing a building project at the moment. And I pray the Lord will give you all the funds you need to be able to purchase the cement you need for your project speedily before this scarcity or this rationing come into effect as the Lord revealed. I trust you are blessed by this, and I trust it will save you. God bless you, keep you to the next message. Stay blessed.